How to move rows in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, simply click on the number at the left side. Select the number. In my case, I'll choose number 2. I want to move row 2, so simply select 2 and then press on Shift. While pressing on Shift on your keyboard, simply drag down your cursor where you want to move, and then as you can see, it has moved. Simply press on Enter and it will move in this way. As you can see, first name, last name, and country, all the row has been moved downwards. And this is how to move rows in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for joining.